Hey, John.
Yeah, what's up?
So guys, welcome back to another video. Today, John came out. He's in town for a few days, and I'm actually gonna take these off because I can't see for my life.
I can't breathe, even though they're on my eyeballs. It's so tighter on my head, I'm losing all the oxygen.
That looks so funny. Those are kids' goggles, so.
These are
your size?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Me and John, you guys seen it before. Bring the boat in that pond all the way back there, all the way up that hill. Bring it down there, put it in this water, and you know, this place probably hasn't been touched since we fished it, to be honest. A couple months ago. Yeah. Yeah, this place is loaded for sure. About like 50 degrees here. It's beautiful weather for us. A little cloud in the sky. Some clouds, little sun poking through, but not too bad. Put this camera down, switch you guys to the chesty, and we're gonna have a great day on the water. Let's get it. See, that's what I was thinking. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is that shallow. How deep is it? Like that's like the ground?
Foot. Yeah, like a foot.
Why are we fishing here?
Yeah, we need to get out of here. I didn't realize this spot was this shallow.
I thought it was way deeper than that. There's one.
Got one?
Yeah, on the spinnerbait.
Wow, that was quick.
Second cast.
What the hell? Nice job. Made the adjustment and it made it.
Get up here, baby.
Yeah, homie.
Oh yeah.
They want something shiny, huh?
Yeah, he choked it too, man. All the way down his throat.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh,
for sure. Look how
that's feel how cold he is. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That fish is freezing.
He didn't like fight much too.
No, he didn't. Straight launched it though. Second cast with that double willow spinnerbait. Chartreuse and white. These are down right here. There she goes. Dude, spinnerbait might be the ticket, man.
Might honestly be.
Let's go. Got one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Good one. Ooh, nice one. Nice one. Everyone's falling off. Oh, come on. That's about the same size as yours.
Yeah.
This feels a lot bigger on this rod. This one's got way more fight in him. That. Oh, he's just, dude, like, the back hook.
Oh my god, you're right.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come here, come here, come here. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Ah, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Yes.
Nice.
Dude, that's what's up. Put it there. Wow. Awesome fish. Check it out. I'm a flit. Messing them up.
That's a beauty, man.
That is a beauty. Really nice fish. Let's get it underwater. Release this.
Oh damn it, dude! You saw my line move. You saw my. Damn it. Dude, I did too. What the? I saw my line. I was way too late on that, dude. Damn it. All right. Well, I just switched to it. Not bad. They're here.
Yeah.
There's one.
Yeah.
Yep.
On?
Yep.
Yeah.
Shaky head. About time, dude.
You were long overdue.
I was.
How do you feel?
He's all right.
Alright. Oh, nice.
It's a beauty. I feel so good, man.
That's a fall fish.
Yeah.
Know, right?
Lost
it's
that.
almost like kind of nice, like when they're actually being pumped like this, like in a lake where you're used to like just flashing it, because it feels 100 times more rewarding when you finally
It does.
get the fish, like, oh.
It's a nice one, man.
Very, very nice.
Look at that. It's a beauty. Nice one on that shaky head. Well, Guggenbait action too, man. The slim shake worm.
Yeah.
Color, always forget the color. Alabama craw.
Yeah,
Missed one earlier actually on it as I'm getting tied up in these trees, but
you're good.
right on the top of the mouth. Okay, watch. I got beautiful, beautiful fall time bass. Let's get them out. There's that fish. Beautiful, beautiful fall bass. Put it back in that freezing cold water. Come on. Oh my god, that water is so cold. Jesus.
Not eating, right?
Yeah. And she goes. Boom. Nice. Let's get it. Okay. Oh, hold on. There's one.
Oh.
There we go.
That was a little more aggressive bite.
Yeah. Smaller fish, but still a fish, man. Little guy right there. On that slim shake, the Guggenbait slim shake worm, Alabama craw, lucky tackle box jig,
Double.
shaky head. Double?
Oh,
Oh, you had him?
yeah,
Oh, damn, that would have been dope. Little guy, see ya. Whew. No, that was my fault. I got one too, dude.
You on two?
What the heck?
Yeah, you're on too, yeah.
Oh, did I get off? Or is he still on? Oh, he got off.
You had one.
Damn.
See you, buddy.
What?
This isn't recording.
For any of it?
Let's think for a bit though. I got it down.
Alright, alright. That one.
That one?
You're right.
Yeah.
Right there. Just let it sit there, man. That's sick. Oh yeah, these bass are definitely holding right next to that cover. Look at that. Chomped it. John with the hook up on the jig. The bandito bug, you said, right? Yep. Yeah, bandito bug on the back. Nice little jig, nice little jig fish. Right off that log. Let it sink. See you, buddy. Woo. Spread out of there, nice. That was sweet.
Very cool. Not that deep here either.
No, man, it's really shallow. I was about to say that. That's a beauty. It's a nice one too. Wow. This jig is money. Oh, there she is. That's a nice one. There's that one caught on a nice jig. John hooked me up with a little bandito bug action on the back of it. Just actually hit it right here. And what do you think? It's like a foot or two right there?
Yeah, like a foot and a half.
Yeah, beauty.
Shallow.
Absolutely munched it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Comes right out. I'm gonna look at that bad boy. Hoist her down here. There she goes. Right there. Boom. Nice. Yeah.
More keen on the natural colors. Probably not the best thing, but I got to do it. I'm gonna use this shit stuff.
There's one.
You got one?
Oh, it's a good one, dude.
Dude, she's not moving.
Come on. Felt pretty good.
I think it might be pretty good. She's going out to deep water.
He's doing all right. I think it's pretty good. Please don't disappoint me. I swear. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh yeah, it's a nice one.
Felt bigger.
It's a good one. Jiggy. Getting jiggy
Oh.
with times.
Woo.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Right off that dock.
You're just wrecking them with the jig right now. I'm just
Oh, that's a
watching.
beauty.
In today's video, I attempt miserably to complete an MTB slam and watch my buddy catch a fish right in front of my face. Yeah, this is good stuff.
I was.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, and then the big camera. There she is. Nice one right off that white dock right there. I'm just gonna put her back. She launched that jig, working it nice and slow on the bottom. Boom, there she goes. Sweet.
Is that a fish?
I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
Is he swimming at me? I guess it is a fish. What the heck? I didn't even set the hook on that. All right. Get in here, baby. It's a nice one too, Jesus. Oh yeah. Didn't even know I had him. Comes right out. Quick release, let's go. Woo! Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. Yes. Dude, yes.
Come on.
Oh yeah, you're on.
Got him.
You're on. Yes. You're on.
That wasn't even looking, dude.
There's one right there. That one just busted right there. Oh my god. You still on?
No.
It came off.
No.
Dude, hey, no.
Dude, I wasn't even looking. I just heard it.
Was it just sitting there?
It was just sitting there.
No way.
Just sitting in his face. Dude, I was just looking away for a second. That's how slow you gotta go.
Really, really, like, puny bite though.
I know.
Probably a good fish, but a really puny.
Oh, dude!
Yeah.
Oh!
Good, he came off. No, he came off. He came off. That was a big one.
Yeah.
Nice fish, dude. That was a big fish. Big fish. Real slow. Really, really, really slow. That kind of seems, yeah, probably. Like, all right.
Yeah.
So loud. Oh my god, that one I have to. Oh yeah.
Oh, he just hit it. Got him. Got him.
You're on top one, baby.
That's crazy, man. Oh.
How cool is that?
That is epic. I think it's decent.
Yeah, not a bad one. But just goes so there's a ton.
Yeah, that is. Woo, woo.
Like a little bit
That's
smaller one.
that's exciting, man.
Yeah.
That's so exciting. It didn't matter that he wasn't that big, but
No, I mean it's freaking October.
yeah, exactly. I should not be catching fish on top water right now.
November. Almost November.
It's
yeah.
nice bass caught on that. awesome topwater lure I got from my LTB a couple months ago. That's showing that it was summer. It was a summer bait. And I just picked it up in like late October 27th. Yeah, it's almost November. We're catching fish on topwater. That's crazy. It's a little dude, but still he launched that topwater bait. We're dropping down. And he's off. Sweet, man. Well, we're gonna get blown up again soon. I can feel it.
More bait.
Oh!
I'm on.
Nice.
Another one. Dude, just after I released that big freaking bass, I got another one on and this one feels okay too. Gosh, dude. It's kind of eerie on the spinning rod, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, not a bad one. Not as big as the first topwater fish. It's a pretty good one, actually.
Is it?
Yeah, I kind of underestimated it. Oh my god. Couldn't even grab him in the mouth because it's closed shut. That fish was stuck.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That one. It's about a 3-pounder on top water. Wow. That's pretty epic.
That's pretty sick.
It's a quality fish, dude. There she goes. Just brute, man. I'm so glad I came back up north. Oh.
Nice, yeah. That was sick.
Let's get some more. Really, if it's that big.
I know. Alright guys, back at the car. Got the Little John, or what'd you call it earlier?
Little John, Little Struggle
Bus. Little Struggle Bus. Little Struggle Bus.
Struggle Bus anymore. It's back to Little John.
Yeah, it's on here. He's ready to go. Huge props for him for coming out today. He was in town for a couple days, so we decided to give it a hit. Like I said, we caught so many, well, not so many fish, but we did pretty well.
Yeah.
But like, top water, in the middle, on bottom, pretty much got it all down. Didn't really figure out the fish at all, I would say.
Even at the end?
Yeah, I would say we still didn't figure out the fish whatsoever.
I would say what we figured out is they were finicky.
Yeah, very finicky. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smack a thumbs up. Obviously, you guys probably already checked out John's channel because it's probably how you found me or something, but if you haven't, just check it out. Links in the bio, all that good stuff. Huge props to John, come one more time.
Peace, brother.
And we're, yeah, no problem. And he's gonna be back in the winter too, guys, so stay tuned for that. Ice fishing.
It's gonna be a little colder next time we fish.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna be through the ice. It's gonna be super sick. Maybe we'll prank George again or something, I'm not sure. Because he'll be back for sure, so.
He'll kill one of us.
Yeah, he probably will. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you guys later. John, do the fist bump just like last time.
Peace out, boys.